Racing just is started. We have knocked out Bay Break. Quick clear start. Moving up on the outside. Joel's Choice. Lawerta Invincible. Redemption comes next. Jai-Ho Storm Gas Defiant. While Bohemian Davies, the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Lawerta. Joel's Choice is on the outside. Invincible in the middle. 3 lengths further back in fourth comes Storm Gas. And on the outside comes Knockout Babe. Redemption comes next. Jai-Ho is running by the rail. Defiant while Bohemian Dave is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Lawerta by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Joel's Choice. Storm's Gas is done in third. Invincible is on the outside fourth. Then here comes Jai-Ho, and on the outside Knockout Babe. Defiant likewise moving up. Redemption while Bohemian Dave still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Lawerta followed now by Jai-Ho. Moving up on the outside is Storm Gas. Redemption is down in for us. They swing for home. The lead now belongs to Jai-Ho by over length and a half. And in second in the middle portion now is Redemption, Lawerta, Storm Gas, Defiant, Bohemian Dave. Last 50 meters we have Jai-Ho. And finally Jai-Ho. Redemption, Storm Gas, Close, Defiant, Lawerta, then comes Bohemian Dave.